Hola, yo soy María Fernanda, and if you want to make massive progress in your Spanish conversation skills in the next 30 days, you must follow the 4-step study plan I will give you in this video. This study plan is similar to what we give to the students in our Spring Spanish Academy. And if you stick to it for 30 days, you will be amazed how much your Spanish has improved. I mean, you won't get fluent, but you will make massive progress. So, here is paso número 1. Paso 1. Get at least 15 to 30 minutes of Spanish input every day. You need to listen as much as possible because the more you listen, the more your brain will start making sense of what Spanish it's supposed to sound and look like. It will help you with listening comprehension and speaking at the same time. Here are some ideas for things to listen to. Otros canales de YouTube, podcast, nuestros videos. Tip: we also have videos that are 100% in Spanish with subtitles in English and Spanish. By the way, I want to do this and everything that follows for 30 days straight because it takes 30 days to pick up a new habit. 30 days is sure enough to stay motivated. 30 days is also long enough to really notice how much progress you're making and how much easier it becomes to speak Spanish in conversations. So, ponte las pilas and commit for the next 30 days. Now, I'm off to my yoga class. Paso 2. Focus on finding and learning chunks. In everything you read or hear, focus on finding word combinations, or chunks as we call them, you hear native speakers use over and over again. Because these chunks are what will allow you to speak Spanish yourself without thinking about grammar. So if you're watching telenovelas every day and hear the characters use chunks like mucho gusto, or por la tarde, or nos vemos, you know that they are correct. So you can use them yourself too without even thinking about the grammar behind them. Here's another example using one of our videos from our Spring Spanish teacher, Mariana. Hoy en día? So nowadays in Spanish is hoy en día. Now you know that, and now you can apply that on your Spanish conversations as well. Finding chunks is something you do while you're getting input, so it doesn't take much extra time. And being aware of chunks and actively looking for them is going to come naturally to you after you have practiced this a bit. Bonus! In our videos, we highlight these chunks for you, so that will help a lot too. You may find them when we say chunk alert. Paso 3. Spend 5 to 10 minutes a day memorizing chunks. Your brain will absorb a lot of Spanish naturally if you listen to Spanish for 30 minutes every day. But now you need to make an active effort to memorize some of the chunks you have identified, and that will help you the most while speaking. Learn them through flashcards like this one. Do 5 to 10 minutes of flashcard learning and reviewing a day, and you will be imprinting Spanish on your brain. If you'd like to get a head start with this, we create flashcard decks for every single one of our video lessons and give them to members of our Spring Spanish Inner Circle. We're happy to let you try out the membership. Just click the link in the description to get all the details. Paso 4. Implement. Speak Spanish. After listening and reading so much and memorizing chunks, don't forget to actually go out and use your Spanish. And you can brag a little bit. And you don't have to practice speaking every day, but we recommend you plan a speaking session. Or if you can, just go out and speak with Spanish speakers at least once or twice a week. Hola, te cuento que acabo de terminar un reto de 30 días para aprender español. ¡Wow, amiga! ¡Hablas súper bien! ¡Felicidades! ¡Ay, gracias! You will notice that focusing on chunks will help you a lot while speaking Spanish. And if you do this for the next 30 days, you will have so many chunks in your brain that fluent sentences will start rolling off the tongue. So, quick summary of what your next 30 days will look like. Número 1. Get Spanish input every day. Listen and read for 15 to 30 minutes a day. Número 2. While getting input, focus on identifying Spanish chunks. Número 3. Spend 5 to 10 minutes a day memorizing chunks with flashcards. Número 4. Practice speaking and feel how Spanish sentences start rolling off the tongue. The more you do of this, the better you will get, but even sticking to this schedule will get you massive results. So, are you ready for your 30-day challenge? Don't lose momentum and get started right away. We have a Spanish from scratch playlist with 30 videos for 30 days. What a coincidence! Watch the first lesson now, and you are on your way to a successful challenge. Click on it right there, right now. Adios!